Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. If you've ever scheduled a post and then realized you need to make a quick change, don't worry. It's actually very simple. Let's go step by step so you can update your content without any confusion. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. On the home page, you'll notice the familiar post icon, the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap that. Instead of creating a brand new post, we're going to access your scheduled content. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small clock icon. Tap on it, and then select View All. This is where LinkedIn stores every post you've scheduled ahead of time. Now, scroll through the list of your scheduled posts and find the one you want to edit. Once you've located it, look for the three dots, or more options, right next to that post. Tap on those dots, and you'll see the option to edit. Select Edit, and this will open your scheduled post in the editor. From here, you can adjust your text, rework your hashtag strategy, tweak your visuals, or make any other edits necessary to make your post perfect. Once you're happy with your changes, tap on Schedule again. LinkedIn will allow you to confirm or set a new date and time if needed. This ensures your updated post will still go out exactly when you want it to. After that, you're all set. Your changes are saved, and your post is ready to be shared on time. Editing scheduled posts on LinkedIn is a great way to fine-tune your content strategy and make last-minute improvements without needing to start from scratch. By following these simple steps, opening the app, tapping the post icon, using the clock to view scheduled posts, selecting the three dots, editing and rescheduling, you'll always stay in full control of your content. With this little trick, you'll be able to keep your LinkedIn presence professional, polished, and perfectly timed.